Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already seen it, make sure to watch the video linked in our description. It will show you the first phase of this job and all of the work up until this point. In this video, we are going to pick up where we left off with the cabinet installation. Be sure to stay tuned to the end to see the big reveal of the finished kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Enjoy the video. Here you can see the cabinets being brought in by my uncle and brother, who both work at Kitchen Encounters. The cabinets used in this kitchen remodel are Waypoint 650F maple linen, which is a shaker style door and drawer. The doors have been removed to make installation of the cabinets easier. The doors have been put back and hardware has been installed. They are Richelieu 877-195. The quartz countertops have been installed. They are Cambria New Quay with double round edges. The recessed and pendant lights are being installed, as well as the electrical finish out. Here is the backsplash. We installed Arley Millstone Calcutta Random Sticks mosaic in this kitchen. The appliances have been installed. It's time for the finishing touches and the remodel will be complete. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Please like and subscribe for more.